Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazsmi bin Rostham. So today we're gonna discuss our project regarding welding. So in this project we decide to observe and take dimension of a metal bed frame, a welding joint of a metal bed frame. So before that we divided our group as me and Nick completing the table given, and Iman observing and finding the dimension of the metal bed frame welding joint. So the dimension we can see here, the workpiece have 2.5 centimeter length and the weld is have 0.3 centimeter width. Here we can see the overall picture of the bed frame.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafidz bin Rahman. Metric number 2010247. Today I'm going to talk about this type of welding joint. It is named T-joint welding. It is because the two component intersects at the point of 90 degrees angle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iman Najib, and I will continue to explain about defect in welding. After observing the object we choose, we can see there are some defect or crack in the welding. Most defects encountered in welding are due to an improper welding procedure. Usually, the reason defects encountered in welding is because incomplete penetration and incomplete fusion.